guys, this is Big Phil from Big Phil TV. Once again, I'm back with another video. This time, we're going to be checking out my Apple Watch Series 5 watch bands collection. Y'all know the Apple Watch Series 5 is my favorite smartwatch right now. So I pick up some few watch bands that I can use to match it up when I'm going out in different styles, different occasions. So in this video, I'm going to show y'all what those watch bands look like and how great they are on the Apple Watch Series 5. Without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. I'm going to start this video by talking about the watch band that comes with the Apple Watch Series 5. This is a Nike edition, so it comes with this beautiful silicone band with a lot of holes on it, which is really good when it comes to exercising because it lets air to go through your wrist. I mean, it's very nice for fitness, exercising. And yeah, this is not white. It's I think it's platinum gray, but it's a light gray or something. It's really good when it comes to fitness, and it's very soft, very comfortable on the wrist. I mean, it's original. It's the one that comes with the watch, so you expect something really good from Apple. The second watch band in my collection is stainless steel. And remember, all these watch bands, I bought them on Amazon, and they are third-party watch bands, which means they're cheaper, and it feels good and looks good. All right, way cheaper than the ones you can buy on the Apple website. So this is stainless steel. And it's it's my most expensive watch band for the Apple Watch Series 5. I use this in special occasion, especially when I'm going out in a beautiful, nice occasion. I use this one because it looks amazing. Like, just check it out. Just look at it. You see how it looks like? It's very easy to put it on. You simply press this button right here, as you can see from the back, right here. When you press this button right here, it releases it. Then you just put it on your wrist and press it back right here. That's it. Very nice. It looks good on my wrist, right? I love this one, and it's the most expensive watch band in my Apple Watch bands collection. Yeah, that's it. Stainless steel. The next watch band in my collection is the black leather loop. I use this watch band the most. I mean, I love it the most. And the reason is simple. It's very lightweight. It feels good on the Apple Watch Series 5. It feels good on the wrist. It's very comfortable. You can wear this all day. It's very, very lightweight. And it looks good also on the Apple Watch Series 5. It comes in two pieces. One piece is very short. The other, very long. So you simply put it just like this. Yep, just like this. And this is how it looks like. Yep. On the Apple website, this watch band is very expensive, but on Amazon, it's way cheaper. So I'm going to drop the link of all these watch bands in the description below. You can check them out. And if you like this video, don't forget, please, to give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Now, this watch band is good. It's easy to put it on and easy to take it out because it has a set of magnets. Like, you just simply put it on just like this and you drop it right there. It magnetizes on it, it stays there, it doesn't go anywhere. It's easy to put it out just like this, but when you magnet on it, it stays there, it doesn't move. Very, very nice. You can put it on all different angles, like right here, as you can see. You can move it right up to this point. So this is my favorite watch band for the Apple Watch Series 5 because it feels good. The next watch band in my collection is a white silicone band, and I pick it up on Amazon. Let's see how it looks like. Guys, to be honest, the watch band that comes with my Apple Watch feels way better than this one. It's much more softer and feels good than this one I pick up on Amazon. So if you're somebody who needs a very nice silicone band that feels good, that looks good, then you got to pick up the one on Apple website because for real, I'm being real honest right now, it's way better. Even though this one is cheaper, but zero. And even the length, as you can see right here, the one that comes from Apple, it's much more longer than this one I pick up on Amazon. But let's see how it looks like on the watch. Put it just like this. Yeah. So if we are rocking white watch face with a white band and a white t-shirt, maybe some white sneakers, Oof, it looks fresh. Yeah, but this is nice. Even though it doesn't feel good like the original one from Apple, but it's cheaper, so who cares? Way more cheaper. And even the ones on an Apple website, it's not too expensive. The silicone bands are a bit cheaper. On an Apple website, they're all right, but not as cheap as the ones, the third-party watch bands, all right? But this is all right, not bad at all. So this is the white silicone band. And the last watch band in my collection is a black silicone band. I picked it up on Amazon, still on Amazon. Let's see how it looks like. Yeah, it's still the same as the white one. Have the same length, much more shorter than the one that comes with the Apple Watch, and it's cheaper. Who cares? Let's see how it looks like on it. Just like this, and like this. So this is how it looks like. The black silicone band. Yeah, as y'all realize in this video, all the colors I have are just classic color because I'm a classic guy. I love the classic colors like white, black, gray, silver. Those are the colors that I always use. I never use anything else from this same color that you see right here. So all my watch bands are classic colors. Yeah, so that's it. All the watch bands and all the watch bands in my collections. Right here. The black, white, black, leather loop, silver, stainless steel, and platinum gray. So these are all the watch bands I use with my Apple Watch Series 5. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on notification for more great videos. Keep coming on Big Phil TV. Until then, see you to the next one. Peace.